pleased to announce the most ambitious program to allow affordable access to prepaid electricity. This government has allocated $1 billion to assist the first 20,000 first-time JPS prepaid customers who sign up for prepaid electricity. The $1 billion will go towards paying for house wiring and inspection in order to get those with a legal connection to get legally and safely connected to the JPS grid. We know that the cost of house wiring and inspection can be prohibitive for many. And so as a caring government, we are absorbing that cost in order to begin to cauterize this massive electricity theft problem. To incentivize the uptake of prepaid electricity service, the first 20,000 new prepaid customers will get $4,000 credit for electricity per month for 6 months.